everyone, I am Trang Chi Bi, an artist from Vietnam. I started my art journey with watercolor, but recently I have fallen in love with gouache, and now it is my go-to medium to paint flowers and landscapes. In today's class, we will dive into the materials and techniques you need to create these stunning vintage vibe daisy paintings. This class is perfect for absolute beginners, but if you've already dabbled in gouache, I hope it offers you a fresh perspective and helps you to level up your skills. By the end of this class, you will feel confident working with gouache and ready to bloom as an artist. And remember, daisies aren't just for your garden, they're about to make a home in your sketchbook. So grab your paints, your brushes, and let's get started. I can't wait to paint with you.